Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius. Have you ever felt like you're just going through the motions of life, lacking a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment? Perhaps you find yourself constantly seeking validation from others, basing your self-worth on external factors like wealth, status, or appearance. If so, you're not alone. Many of us have fallen into this trap, chasing after fleeting pleasures and societal ideals that ultimately leave us feeling empty inside. But what if I told you that there's a better way? A path to true inner peace, resilience, and unshakable self-confidence that transcends the superficial trappings of our modern world. This is precisely what the ancient Stoic philosophers, like Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca, taught centuries ago. Timeless wisdom that is more relevant today than ever before. By embracing the principles of Stoicism, you can transform into a modern-day sage, commanding respect not through external displays of power or wealth, but through the sheer force of your character, wisdom, and inner fortitude. Prepare to embark on a journey that will reshape your entire perception of life, empowering you to navigate even the most challenging circumstances with grace, equanimity, and an unshakable inner calm. Principle 1. Live in the present moment. He who lives in harmony with himself lives in harmony with the universe. Marcus Aurelius. In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, it's all too easy to become trapped in a cycle of rumination and anxiety, constantly dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. The Stoics understood that the present moment is the only reality we truly possess, and they taught the art of savoring each breath, accepting life's ebbs and flows with equanimity. Imagine being able to approach every situation with a clear, focused mind, free from the burden of regret or fear. By training yourself to anchor your awareness in the here and now, you'll cultivate a deep sense of presence and mindfulness that will prevent you from being swept away by the tides of emotion. Notice the sensations in your body, the sounds around you, and the rhythm of your breath. These simple practices will grant you the clarity and composure to respond to life's challenges with wisdom and grace. Principle 2. Practice rational detachment. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment. Marcus Aurelius. One of the primary sources of human suffering is our excessive attachment to external circumstances. Our possessions, relationships, societal status, and fleeting pleasures. The Stoics advocated for rational detachment, the ability to appreciate life's blessings without clinging to them possessively or allowing them to define our sense of self-worth. By cultivating this mindset, you'll no longer be a slave to transient pleasures or fears, liberating yourself from the incessant cycle of desire and aversion that plagues so many. When faced with adversity or loss, remember that all external conditions are temporary and subject to change. Embrace what life brings with open arms, but hold it loosely, recognizing that true contentment resides within your unshakable inner fortitude. Principle 3. Reframe adversity as opportunity. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Marcus Aurelius. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable in life's journey, but the Stoics viewed adversity not as a curse, but as an opportunity for growth and self-mastery. Every obstacle, they taught, is a test of character, a chance to forge resilience and cultivate wisdom. Instead of allowing challenges to overwhelm you, reframe your perspective. Ask yourself, what valuable lesson can I extract from this experience? How can I use this as a catalyst for personal growth and transformation? Embrace the difficulty as a chance to stretch your capabilities and emerge stronger on the other side. By adopting this mindset, you'll transform adversity into a stepping stone on your path to greatness. Principle 4. Take radical self-responsibility. It is not events that disturb people, it is their judgments concerning them. Epictetus. In today's world, it's all too common for individuals to blame external circumstances for their misfortunes, abdicating personal responsibility and playing the victim. The Stoics, however, understood that true power lies in taking radical responsibility for one's thoughts, emotions, and actions. In every situation, ask yourself, how can I respond in a manner that aligns with my highest values and principles? What is within my control and what is outside of it? Refuse to be a victim of circumstance and instead seize control of your internal narrative. By embracing self-responsibility, you'll cultivate an unwavering sense of agency and self-determination that will propel you towards your goals with unstoppable momentum. Principle 5. Embrace voluntary discomfort. The things you're passionate about are not random, they are your calling. Fabian Fredrickson. Comfort and pleasure are fleeting, while growth and resilience are forged through voluntary discomfort. The Stoics practiced intentional austerity, periodically depriving themselves of luxuries to strengthen their mental fortitude and appreciate the simple joys of life. Incorporate this principle into your daily routine by deliberately exposing yourself to controlled challenges. Wake up a little earlier, take a cold shower, or engage in a physically demanding activity. These small acts of self-discipline will fortify your mental toughness, preparing you to weather life's inevitable storms with grace and poise. As you push beyond your comfort zone, you'll tap into a wellspring of inner strength and resilience that will empower you to confront even your greatest fears head-on. Principle 6. Align your actions with nature. That which is not good for the beehive cannot be good for the bees. Marcus Aurelius. The Stoics believed in living in harmony with the natural order of the cosmos, aligning their actions with the universal laws that govern existence. By embracing this mindset, you'll cultivate a profound sense of acceptance and flow, no longer resisting the inevitable ebb and flow of life. Observe the cycles of nature, the changing seasons, the ebb and flow of the tides, the phases of the moon. Recognize that change is inevitable and resistance is futile. Instead, surrender to the natural rhythms of existence, and you'll find yourself navigating life's currents with effortless grace. When you act in alignment with the natural order, your efforts will be amplified and your path will become clearer, propelling you towards your goals with the unstoppable force of the universe itself. Principle 7. Transcend ego and attachment. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. At the root of human suffering lies the insatiable ego, the relentless pursuit of external validation, possessions, and fleeting pleasures. The Stoics taught the art of transcending the ego, recognizing its illusory nature, and cultivating a state of inner peace and contentment. Practice detachment from the need for external approval or material possessions. Recognize that your worth is not contingent upon societal labels or achievements. Seek fulfillment in the present moment, in the cultivation of virtues such as wisdom, courage, and temperance. By letting go of the ego's incessant demands, you'll experience a profound sense of liberation and inner tranquility that will permeate every aspect of your life. Principle 8. Cultivate cosmic consciousness. He who lives in harmony with himself lives in harmony with the universe. Marcus Aurelius. The Stoics saw themselves as part of a vast, interconnected whole, a single thread in the tapestry of the cosmos. By embracing this cosmic consciousness, they transcended petty personal concerns and cultivated a profound sense of gratitude and humility. Spend time in nature, marveling at the intricate beauty and complexity of the natural world. Contemplate the vastness of the universe and your insignificant yet integral role within it. Recognize that you are part of something far greater than yourself, and let this realization fill you with a deep sense of reverence and awe. As you align yourself with the grandeur of the cosmos, you'll tap into a wellspring of inner strength and wisdom that will guide you through even the most daunting challenges. By embodying these 8 Stoic principles, you will undergo a profound transformation, emerging as a modern-day Marcus Aurelius, a beacon of wisdom, resilience, and inner fortitude. Your presence will command respect effortlessly, not through external validation, but through the unwavering strength of your character and the depth of your self-mastery. If you have made it this far, comment down below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.